Okay, Friday the 14th, starting the last bedroom to get new flooring. Won't zoom. There we go.
Well, next door there is Henry is stuff. I don't know where I'm gonna put all that. Put that.
Now we have one big bedroom in the living room. Okay,
Hold it, move.
come on puppies, get out of the way. Monday the 17th. Let's see what got done today. Someone's been busy. Look at that. He said tomorrow the rest will get done. He has to move everything around. That's down to the bare, old black floor the way we bought the house. All the laminate's gone. And now, tile. Nothing can happen to that now. Okay, more tile, more base, a few places of touch-up, and we'll have a new room with awesome new floor. Okay, done for the day. Washing the towel. Working all day. He got a lot done. Let's see if I can unplug and go in there. Don't get dizzy. I'm moving fast. Not. A lot more than before. Earlier picture and I thought he was done for the day. He came in and did more. That's just who he is. Can't sit still. Probably went into the closet too. Yeah. Can't sit still. Have tools, we'll travel. We'll work. Okay. I got another big portion done compared to looking before. Why put off tomorrow what you can do today? That's what Tom said. Tuesday, May 18, Tom cut down that funky step in our hall closet and he tiled, so now it's flush even with the rest of the flooring. So that's finished. And so is our bedroom. The whole bedroom's finished being tiled. Next will come the grout. But he finished everything. So now we have a new far out tile floor in the bedroom. So he's got a couple of spots he wants to touch up there and the paint a couple places, and then after grout he'll put on the new base trim. We'll have like a whole new room again. It'll be nice. Good job, Tom. A number one. So on Wednesday, after the closet, excuse me, Tom built me a shelf. So when we move back in, I can put my machines and my medicine and whatever. So I guess he's gonna start grouting in here maybe tomorrow. And then soon the trim will come. But he finished the closet, and the closet get filled up again. So we have a closet with a new floor in there. Too dark to see, but floor keeps going into the closet. There's a sleeping Billy in there. There's a sleeping kitty. Hi, Billy. Hi, Jack. Look at Bill. Oh, did we wake you up, Bill? Look at that sleepy puppy. Look at that sleepy kitty. Here comes Luna. Hi, Luna. Sitting in Dad's chair. You're sitting in the other chair, silly kitty. Okay, night-night, babies.